For now.
Oh, potentially.
Well done. Yeah, potentially. Our next challenge is we each have to make an animal noise, and whoever does the worst animal noise is the mule.
Okay, all right.
Anyone
You
want to
wanna
start us off?
Go on, Toby.
Oh, it's a donkey.
It's a donkey, yeah, it's a mule. Okay,
It's
he's
a
asking.
donkey. It's a
You want to
donkey.
go? I'll do one.
Oh, that's pretty
Yeah,
good.
good luck.
Decent
Yeah,
pig.
yeah.
Decent
All right.
pig. I was going to do that.
I threw
one.
it back.
Shit.
What is it?
All the good animals are gone, please. What was that? I don't know. It was supposed to be a cow, but I forgot that one.